Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another video. In this video, I have a application for you that will make your photo like 3D photo or animation. As you can see the name of application vimage 3D live photo animation. Yes, you can make your photo as 3D photo. Yes, it will definitely work because the app rating is 4.4 and its download is 10 M plus. So, before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more updates. So, without wasting time, let's start downloading it. As you can see there, I have tap on download and now it's downloading. After this, let's check out its reviews, and it has 5-star review, 4-star review, and 5-star review. And the developer also replying them, thank you so much for kind review. Okay, good. I think it's a good application, and it will definitely work. So it is almost 30% downloaded now. After this, when the downloading complete, we will open this application and explore how does it really works. So as you can see there, it is 50% almost downloaded. After downloading completed, we will work on it. So it is almost 60% download, as you can see on your home screen. Oh, my net speed is 1.3 MB, 1.2 MB. Okay, that's good, not bad at all. After that, as you can see there, now I have it is almost complete now, and we will just open this application after installation. As you can see there, the installation is now started, so we have to wait for installation complete. Okay, okay, it's still working. Okay, as you can see there, it's installed now, and we will just tap on open. After opening this application, that logo will show you on your home screen, vimage. Okay, wow, wow, that's great, amazing. Okay, skip this, allow. Now we will tap a photo. For example, I will definitely, we will use what photo we have to use. I think we will use, okay, Zapier photo downloaded. I have 56 photos in my downloaded. As you can see there, is there remove bg. I have one photo in remove bg. Screenshot, video capture, WhatsApp images. There is nothing in WhatsApp images. Pictures, there is nothing in pictures. Canva, thumbnail design, and as you can see there, I can't find a photo all. Just we will tap on this photo. Here we go. As you can see there is a line, and we will definitely 3D zoom. Now it's working. We just have to tap on 3D zoom. As you can see, what is this? Wow. Okay, we will raise this. Okay, I think it is very good application. As you can see there, we will remove this green line from the surface. As you can see there, it is almost done now, and quite masking, leave and leave. Okay, what is this? It's working. I think it's working now. It's working. What is in smart select? If we tap on smart select, I think it's not working yet. It is enhancing the photo, and after that It is working as you can see on your home screen. Okay, it's working. Just back it. Why it is taking too much? Now we will try it again. And here we go. There are options for aeroplane, B, flame. Just tap on flame and looks what happened. Oh, wow. Okay, okay. Back, remove this atom. Okay, just remove this atom. 3D zoom. Now it is working. 3D zoom. So after that, we will try a magic sky. As you can see there is option for magic sky, and let's see what happened. Oh, there are too much skies. Oh guys, wow, we will use this sky. Wow, it's amazing, it's really amazing. As you can see there, clouds are in working condition. Okay, after this we have to export this application. After export, you can, as you can see there is option for size or resolution. We will tap export. As you can see this processing, it is processing now. Loading, please wait. We have to wait for downloading complete. As you can see there, now our downloading is almost complete. So just tap on cut, and after this you can see this creating your art piece. Okay, after this my image will be in my gallery. So if you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.